Alrighty, I wanted to do a quick. It's not a demo, but I I had my headphones were just crushed. I mean, they've just been through the ringer, and these are Audio Technica's M50s, and so I wanted to see if they uh, carried a replacement for the earpieces, and I got it from this company off of Amazon. Let me flip it around here if I can. I think Velour replacement ear pads. Now I know that they're very comfortable, but let me play some music here and see what it sounds like if they're the same. Quality is everything. I love them. I'm real just just amazed that they feel so good. And my gosh, I paid $12.99 for them, and I just it's worth it. Don't use crappy, cushy, broken headphone pieces. Take care of your headphones.